Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and greetings everyone. In this video, I would like to pronouncing the words of P, B, T, and D. And of course, this aimed to fulfill the assignment of pronunciation drill lecture. And I'm gonna pronounce it one by one. But before we do that, I have to introduce myself first, of course. So my name is Dava Praditya Devano Ramadan, or people are commonly calls me as Dava for short, of course. And I am one of the college student at BSI University campus in Jakarta, Cengkareng, exactly. So let's get it started. So the first sound is P, and let's get it started. This is the practice one, and you have to pay attention to the words that will pronouncing about. A pen, a postcard, stupid. A pencil, a passport, an impatient. A pin, a passenger, and a plane. A peer, a policeman, and a plastic plate. A Peter, a newspaper, and an apple, and please. Poppy, a paper pot, and a people. Paris, a spoon, and pretty. A pocket, a piece of pork, pie, and surprise. Let's move to the practice 2. This is still a P word. So the first word is a cup, an envelope, and help. A pipe, and a stamp. That's the end of practice 2, and we're gonna move to practice 3. So in this practice, the sound of P is very quiet, and you have to pay attention to these words. Empty, stop pulling. Helpful, drop it. Stop talking, Mr. Tubman. Upstairs, and help me. Perhaps, and stop shooting. So we're gonna move to the B sound. So in the first practice we have to using P words. So in this sound we have to pronounce in B words. So we just compare amongst the P words and the B words. So you have to pay attention again towards these words. So let's get it started. Pin, bean. Pan, ban. Peer, beer. Cap, cab. Pop, pop. Poppy, and Bobby. And that's the end of the first practice of the B word. So for sure you can compare, you can find the difference between the P sounds and B sounds. So let's move to the next practice, the practice 2. Barbara, Robbie, black and brown. Birthday, about, blue and brother. Beautiful, remember, blues and hairbrush. Butterfly, somebody, terribly, and Bob. So the next sound is sounds of T, and let's get it started. But before I want to talk about the rules, the rules of the T sound. So if you want to pronounce the T sound, you have to put the front of your tongue behind your top teeth and push air forward in your mouth, then move your tongue away. So that's how to pronounce the T words in English. Of course, we're gonna move to practice 1. So first is teen, tell the time, and restaurant. Tennis, 10 to 10, pretty assistant. Top, telephone, and stick. Cafeteria, photographer, and student. 14, tomato, and upstairs. And the last word is 13. So in practice 2, the T is quieter in these words. So I'm gonna pronounce for you. First word is hat, cricket bat, and first. Cot, let, and basement. Skirt, lift, shirt, and left. So in the practice, in the next practice on this PDF, the T is also quiet in these words. You have to pay attention towards these words. Travel, boat lace, and hats. Try, bottle, and coats. Lavatory, little, and skirts. 20, gentlemen, and shirts. 12, exactly, and the restaurants. Twins, cricket bats, department store, one sum, first floor. Fat man, light bulbs, hot meal, and fruit juice. So that's the end of the practice of the T words. So we're gonna next to the fourth sound. It's about T. It's about D sounds, and I will practice the T word first, and you can compare the T and the D difference. So let's get it started. So the first word is toward, door, tarts, darts, chart, car, ride, train, trunk, and drum. So let's move to the practice 3 of this pronunciation drill material. Do, told, did, and Sydney. Date, tried, David, and didn't. Daisy rained, Donald, and cards. Dodie stayed, decided, and bad cold. Darling, studied, damage, and children. Dancing, repaired, and goodbye. And eventually we step to the end of this pronunciation drill material. So I bet you to wrote some of words that have been mentioned before and just put it on your notebooks or whatever. So this pronunciation is about the ed endings. So I'm sure that you is oftenly to find the ed endings on the words, on the several words in English. So I would like to pronounce it for you. So the first word is played, brushed, and waited. Cleaned, laughed, and painted. Snowed, pushed, and shooted. Closed, watched, and wanted. Field, danced, and landed. Studied, walked, and departed. So that's the end of this video, and of course that's the end of the pronunciation drill material, and I hope that it's gonna be useful for you, for those of you who want to learn English more fluently and want to hear the difference of the words in English. So I hope that it's gonna be useful for you and it's gonna be helpful for you to learn English and get fluent in English when you speak or when you want to sounds more cool in English. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and goodbye.